14th November is Children's Day. So today I came with a Children's Day speech. Before starting, I would like to wish you all a happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November across India in memory of Jawaharlal Nehru and honor his great love, affection towards children. His birthday is celebrated in India as Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India who was born on 14th November 1889. Nehru considered children as real strength of a nation and foundation of society. He had a great vision for children. He once said, "Today's children are tomorrow's citizens." Children liked him and called him affectionately as Chachaji. The importance of celebrating Children's Day is to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. True development of the country lies in the development of children. Children are very valuable asset for the future of the nation. So they should get proper education and development. Children's Day varies from one country to another. The celebration of Children's Day dates back to 1956 as prior to the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. India celebrated Children's Day on 20 November. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, his birth anniversary was chosen to be celebrated as Children's Day in India. On this day, let us all show our love towards our Chachaji by celebrating this day with different activities. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And for more educational videos and fun, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.